In regards to Sidra Chain KYC, if you reside in Ilorin, that is Kwara State, two fresh centers is now available for you. Now, if you go on my Telegram channel, you can see I had already dropped this update immediately I received it. Now, if you open this first one, you can see that this center is located at roundabout, that is Mini Campus Gate, Unilorin. That is Unilorin Mini Campus. So if you know this place, you try and locate it. For this person phone you see the banner, he said my Sidra retirement plan. So now Sidra now you want you to do retirement plan. But that is by the way, according to him, he's going to be charging 5,000 naira. So if you're going to him for KYC, you are knowing that automatically you are going to be paying 5,000 naira. And this person did not say you'll be charging Sidra. So definitely they are not charging the 100 Sidra and the likes. While this other location here is at Ikpata Market, I personally know this place, yes, but I am not currently at Ilorin now. But I know this place is an easy place to locate. So if you're in Ilorin, you can locate this center and go get your KYC approved. Now, for those of you that are in other parts of Nigeria or you are outside of the country, maybe you're in another country at all, I'm going to address it towards the end of this video. But if you have been following me here, you realize that the video I dropped yesterday, I said I personally signed up for KYB, that is Know Your Business. I submitted my documents with Sidra Chain in the hopes that they are going to approve me. When they approve me, I'll now be able to complete KYCs for people also. Guess what? The application failed. I have submitted this application. In fact, I have lost count. I think I might have submitted for up to 20 times now. I don't know. But they keep rejecting, and I kept on providing all the documents that they required. In fact, this last reason, the thing shocked me. With the way it shocked myself, I had to put the email in ChatGPT to confirm what the issue was. And we realized that the problem was from them. Now, look at what they said. The Federal Republic of Nigeria certification certificate is not authentic as it displays a registration date of 30th of September. Look at it here, which is a future date. I don't understand. 30th of September, we just passed. That is last month. And you're not telling me it's a future date. Look at what they say. He said, which is a future date relative to the current date, October 17, 2025. This is a strong indication of fabrication, forgery, blah, 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 and the likes. So this is the email I received from them. I was confused at first. I had to ask some other people, and I also had to put it in ChatGPT for confirmation. And from what I have been able to confirm so far, it could be that their system currently has an issue, or date issues and the like. So I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to reach out to them or how we can resolve this, but I'll still keep trying. So hopefully, if they approve me, I'll now have a center and be able to verify KYCs for people. And that is basically it. Now, for those of you that are in other parts of Nigeria, what you need to do is to check your Sidra app so that you can get the available centers, or check my Telegram channel. I do drop list of the centers anytime a new center is added. And for those of you outside Nigeria, like Ghana or any other country at all, locate a center in your place. And if you don't have a center, like I've always been saying, you could also open a center. You could go and register yourself as a business. Then you sign up to be able to approve people's KYC, and in turn, you can do your own KYC. And if you don't want to go through that route, you can locate businesses around you, locate them, registered business, talk to them about Sidra. They should have their documents ready. So they fill it on the Sidra app. Once they get verified, they will now be able to verify your KYC for you and verify KYCs for other people. And remember, there is no time. There's a rumor currently spreading that the KYC is going to be ending on December. It's not officially confirmed yet, but every opportunity you have, make sure to complete your KYC, and that is basically it. Now, for more updates like this, make sure that you are following me here. Hit this plus button that is right here. So you follow me here. Go and search for Tony Tech on X, because that is where I do drop most of my updates, even before I make videos on them.